Assalamu alaikum. Welcome, dear students, in ERGO Academic Care. Today we have presented the sample solution of assignment of third week of class 8 English version. So let us see the question at first. One thing to mention at first, please subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. So here we have our question of the assignment. The question gives three figures and it says that there are geometric figures of a pattern of line segments with equal length. The first question asks to draw the fourth figure of the pattern and find the number of line segments in it. In the second question, we see from the above pattern we have to express the algebraic expression supported by the mentioned line segments that forms the pattern. In the third question, it says in the above pattern find the number of line segments required to form the first 20 figures. So we will step by step solve all the problems here in a sample form. Let us see. So here you can see the first step of the solution. We have written, according to the stem, the fourth figure of the pattern will be like this. This has been found out according to the figures given in the questions. We have counted the number of line segments beforehand. So after drawing the figure, we can easily count the number of line segments in the fourth figure, which comes to be 22. So we have written the number of line segments in the fourth pattern will be 22. So you see the answer of the question number A is 22 and the figure is above. In the next question, they have asked to find the algebraic expression. Let us see how we can form it. As you can see, we have written here the number of pattern of geometric number of line segments, which gives the numeric pattern of the geometric pattern is 4, 10, and then 16, then 22, and it goes. The common difference here is 6. You can easily calculate here from each of the parts. In the next step, we find that each of the terms are corresponding to the expression n into 6 minus 2. So the nth term will be n into 6 minus 2, which is ultimately 6n minus 2. Therefore, the given pattern supports the expression 6n minus 2. So we have our required answer. The algebraic expression which supports the pattern is 6n minus 2. So we can easily find the first two questions here. In the third question, we have seen that it is required to find out the total number of sticks that is required to form the first 20 figures. So from B we get the algebraic expression is 6n minus 2, from which we can say that the 20th term of the pattern is 6 into 20 minus 2, however, which is 118. Here the first term is 4, the last term is 118, and number of terms is 20. From the formula of total number of line segments, we can write sum of first 20 terms is first term plus last term into number of terms divided by 2. You can see the formula. We have put the required expressions in the formula and the result is 1220. Therefore, we can say the total number of line segments that will be required for making 20 patterns is 1220. So you can see all the solutions of the given assignment questions here in this sample answer. You can simply check back to the entire video again and you can find your answers. So if we take another final look on each of the answers, first question says we need the fourth figure and number of line segments in the fourth figure, which is given here. The answer comes to be 22. In the next question, the general expression or the algebraic expression of the pattern is required, which we have found out with respect to each of the terms, which comes out to be 6n minus 2. And finally, the last question has asked about the total number of line segments, which we can compare with the sum of first 20 terms of the series or pattern. So we have taken our answers from previous question and put them in the formula and here we have our required answers. So everyone keep caring with ERGO Academic Care, and you can find all your assignment solutions daily and regularly. So thanks for watching and staying with us.